Welcome non-pedestrian to an apartment. If you look carefully around this environment, you may spot the incredibly rare Honda Civic owner. In its natural habitat, it lives undisturbed with a feline companion.
He's a little camera shy.
A particularly skittish one at that. Let's listen in now and watch closely, so that we may observe their natural routines.
Up. Good boy. Would you like another? Up. Nice. It's actually kind of tall.
How to buy horsepower. We gotta go.
We gotta get Civ ready. Oh. Oh, I just hit my tailbone. Oh, what shoes do I wear? We don't have enough time. There's not enough time. Oh, you guys saw that ad. We gotta get out here. We gotta get Civ clean, spick and span for her date. Oh, she's so dirty. There's not enough time. Oh, just 1 sec. I'm a little bit tired from running. Okay. Oh no! The cap on my chalky milk! It's vaporized. Guys, I lost the cap for my chalky milk.
Where did it go? Wait, it literally just disappeared.
I don't know.
I bet it's probably under the car.
Disappeared from my hands. Oh, it's all the way under there somehow. Oh my god. Oh. We got it. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. All right, we gotta load up our passengers. Solid, good and safe in there. All right, got our bag of microfibers. Okay, we gotta take Civ for a wash. We gotta take her for a drive so she can make sure that her engine is all warmed up for her date. And we gotta figure out who that car was. There's so many things we gotta do. We gotta hurry. It's getting a wee bit warm out here. It was literally like 1 degree this morning. My car was icy. Am I a joke to you, Mother Nature? I think I am. Okay, cold start. Oh my fucking god, fuck physics, dude. Bro! Okay, we're ready. Hey guys, if your shifter has a little bit of play in it, don't worry, that means it's working properly. It's supposed to have a little bit of play so that when you're bored in traffic, you can just jiggle it. You know, traffic actually doesn't exist if you just drive. Like, why are you pressing your brakes? There would not be traffic if people did not press their brakes. Oh, we're gonna be here for a minute, I think. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. We're going?
Distracted driving simulator.
So dangerous. This is so dangerous. Chocolate milk is gonna spill in my lap because I can't get the cap on because I have no finger dexterity. Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it. Hey, you guys want some? You guys want some? You know what? We're stuck in traffic. There's nothing we can do about it. We're slow car shop, not fast car shop. So I'm just gonna embrace the traffic no matter how much my left leg is screaming right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Not a god.
Not the fucking bus!
Not a bus, bro! Public transit! Ow! Comment below if all your homies hate public transit.
Hey man, he's getting people to work and shit.
He's doing the best job ever. I hope that he, she, they have a beautiful, lovely day. They have a very important role in society. But I love polluting with my exhaust. I just feel like there's too much of an ozone layer. You know, I think we need to erode it away a little bit. We need to warm up the planet just a little bit. So then my eggs would cook faster.
This is what would happen if
We have finally, oh, speed bump. Oh, speed bump. Finally have made it to our destination to get Civ all, just bottomed out right there. Civ all nice and clean and ready for her date. All right, we're ready. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. We're ready to wash the car. Well, we've made it here to the wash bay. We're gonna be giving Civ a little bit of a sneaky wash for her date tonight. She's hella dirty. I haven't washed her in like months. And to operate the power wash thing, we use loonies, Canadian loonies. Some people might not know that these exist, so yeah. And we got our handy dandy microfiber. I hardly know her. All right, first thing we're gonna do, most important things first. The goal is to have this finished by the end of the video. We're not doing so well. Come on guys, we got shit to film. Let's go, get up. No more chocolate milk. All right, we're gonna spray her down. Gonna get her nice and wet. And then we put on the foamy, and a lot of people are not gonna like me for this, but I don't give a fuck. I use the foam brush. It's a 30-year-old car. I don't care about the paint. And the hack is all you gotta do is just power wash the foam brush before you wash your car, like, duh. Okay, we only got a certain amount of time. Speed run right here, ladies and gentlemen. Always be cleaning your tip. Just a wee bit soaking in it. At the car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. Don't fuck with me. Cars are dangerous. I'm not afraid to shoot. No worries, man. You didn't know. Chocolate milk is a really good polish for your car. Alright guys, I just got the text that Civ's date is going to be at the location in about 10.5 minutes. We're running a little bit short on time, but at least she's nice and clean, so we gotta go. stood up, okay? We took Sim for a wash. We drove the highway. And it was all for nothing. Sim's boyfriend doesn't even exist, or at least he's not here. Just... Why do I even try, bro? Maybe if I had VTech.
Wow, I could have had a
VTech.
Oh, the anxiety that I just experienced was not. Oh my god! Holy shit! The anxiety that is coursing through my body right now. Embarrassing.
You can run, but you can't hide. You can run, but you can't hide.
Yo, watch your goddamn space. Holy cow. Oh, we're gonna be in Admiral's traffic. Oh my god. This is why you don't buy a fucking hefty truck.
Can't go around the bus because he's too thick.
We could be going around this bus right now, bro. Oh my, Sierra, I don't know who you are, but I hate you and everyone in this goddamn city. If a 92 horsepower Civic driver is telling you that you need to go faster, you gotta go faster, bro. We've got double the cylinders and half of the speed. These people's brake pads must look like fucking Swiss cheese, bro. Why do people just ride their brakes? What lane you picking? What lane you picking? Oh, yeah.
Oh, is that a Kia Soul?
Oh, God. Oh, it's the worst Kia colors. These people literally sat around a table and said, what if we combined mucus and vomit? Get your life checked out, man. We're not Fast Car Factory.